So today I've just got a quick demo on how to use VBA to set dates in a sheet. This is often used and there's a bunch of different ways to use this. This is a real simple code to write. I thought I would share it with you though just to show you how to do it. So here I've got this code already written out. You'll see in the first example I've got this written this way. You've probably seen this in my other videos. This is my preferred way to do this, where I actually call this workbook and make sure that I'm on the sheet that I want to do. A lot of times I'll see code where it just says active sheet, which is great if that really is the active sheet you got, but if you click onto another sheet while the code is running, it'll mess your if you click on another sheet while the code is running, it'll mess up your macro and put the data somewhere you don't want it to be. Also, I'll see sometimes that where the number is put in here, so we'll just say, like in this example, 3, because it's the third tab over, third sheet over. That's great until the tabs get reordered or somebody deletes one of the tabs or inserts a new tab, and then that will mess that up. So this is the most stable long-term way to do this. So in here, we're just going to step through this code. The first thing I'm going to do is just put in today's date. So it's put in January 4th. Then I'm going to put in the time. So this is January 4th at 3:15. Then I'm going to put in an end of month. So I wanted to share this because this is a pretty cool functionality. This is just taking today's date. And this is adding 1 month. I can set this back to 0 and this will tell you the end of month for this month. So this is great, especially for accounting things and things like that. And then this last one is to figure out the previous Q quarter. So the previous quarter was Q4. So this code here will show you what the previous quarter was based on today's date. It will minus it out and then it will figure that out and it will give you that to you in one cell. So pretty cool.